Hello students, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video we will clear the numericals related to production function. So do subscribe the channel to see more videos related to the numerical portion of production function. Here statement is given. In this statement units of variable factor, it means quantity is given, and moreover total production is also given, and we have to calculate average production or marginal production, because in our next calculation we have to clear the different stages of law of variable proportion, and we have to give their reasons also. So let us calculate AP. For the calculation of average production, TP will be divided by quantity. Here for the calculation of marginal production, change in TP divided by change in quantity. So first of all, 5 will be divided by 1, 5, 12 divided by 2, 6, 21 divided by 3, 7, 28 divided by 4, 7, 30 divided by 5, 6, 30 divided by 6, 5, 28 divided by 7, 4. Then for the calculation of MP. MP is the change in a TP. So first, as it is, I am writing down 5, change. What is the difference between 12 or 5? 12 minus 5, 7. 21 minus 12, 9. 28 minus 21, 7. 30 minus 28, 2. 30 minus 30, 0. Or 28 minus 30, minus 2. These are the calculation of MP. And now let us analyze to find out the different stages of law of variable proportion. Stages can be differentiated on the basis of MP only. We will see either MP is increasing, diminishing, or 0 or negative. Number 1, 5, 7, 9. Until or unless MP is increasing, this represents first stage of production. First stage means increasing returns to a factor, or increasing returns to a factor means here TP increases and MP also increases. Next, 7 to 0 minus 2. Then up to 6th stage of production. This is the second stage, in which represents diminishing returns to a factor, and diminishing returns to a factor represents TP increases and becomes constant. MP diminishes and becomes 0. These are the causes. That's why we have distinguished between first stage or second stage, and ultimately next one is third stage of production, which is third stage, which represents negative returns to a factor. Here TP diminishes or MP becomes negative. So on the basis of the given statement, just units of variable factor and TP was given. We have calculated AP and MP. because we have to find out the different stages of law of variable proportion. So MP was required. On the basis of the situation of MP, we have differentiated the different stages of law of variable proportion. So in this way we can calculate all the numericals. So that's all regarding this topic. Thank you.